In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can delete the password from Google Passwords Manager. If you wish to get rid of outdated password in your Google Passwords Manager, here's how to do it on this OPPO. First, open Settings. Then scroll to click on Google section and choose All Services over here. Now scroll again, this time to click on Autofill with Google. Choose Google Password Manager. Tap on the password you wanna get rid of and enter your screen lock. Now to finally delete your password, don't worry, it won't delete any account, just Autofill option. You need to hit delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my outdated password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!